Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eko Mahdi Wiguna, NPM 24411047, and now I will explain decision theory and SNG 8 driving decent work and sustainable economic growth. This presentation explores how structured decision-making frameworks can be leveraged to achieve the targets set out by Sustainable Development Goal 8 SNG 8. What is decision theory? Core principles. Decision theory is the systematic study of how rational choices are made, particularly under conditions of risk and uncertainty. It focuses on balancing probabilities against the value or utility of potential outcomes to maximize satisfaction. Broad application. The principles of decision theory are widely applied across multiple fields, including business management, public policy, economic, and entrepreneurial strategy, to optimize resource allocation and manage complex trade-offs. Three branches of study. 1. Normative. How decisions should be made to achieve ideal rationally. Descriptive. How decisions are actually made in practice, observing psychological and cognitive factors. 3. Perspective. How to improve decision-making process for better result. SDG 8. Decent work and economic growth, the global challenge. SDG aims to promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all people globally. Employment globally. The number of people employed worldwide in 2022 highlight persistent labor market gaps. Informal economic share. Percentage of total employment that is informal in developing countries lacking social protection. Youth employment. Youth are nearly 4 times more likely to be employed than adults, creating long-term social risk. Addressing critical gaps. Gender and informal working in SDG 8. Invisible labor. A substantial amount of unpaid social reproductive work disproportionately performed by women is not accounted for in national GDP figures, thereby undermining the true definition of decent work. Persistent wage gaps. Women continue to face significant wage gaps, are often relegated to more precarious jobs, and remain severely underrepresented in executive and leadership roles globally. Informal sector vulnerability. Workers in the informal sector often lack essential legal protection, social security benefit, and safe working environment, which constrains inclusive growth trajectories. Integrating gender equality SDG 5 with SDG 8 is crucial. Sustainable and equitable development cannot be achieved while half the population remain disadvantaged. Applying decision theory to advantage SGDI. Decision theory provides a robust frameworks for policy designers and entrepreneurs to make choices that actively support decent work and sustainable growth, reducing cognitive biases. Structured decision-making framework help in identifying and mitigating cognitive biases in entrepreneurial activities, leading to improved resource allocation and higher startup sustainable rates. Balancing trade-offs. It facilitates evidence-based participatory approach to balance the often competing objective of economic growth with vital social and environmental goals efficiently. Designing quality policies. Decision theory assists government and business in designing target policies that proactively promote quality job creation, ensure fair and living wage, and maintain safe, compliant workplace. Conclusion. Towards smarter decision for decent work and growth. Holistic recognition. Achieving SGDI demand that we formally recognize hidden labor, actively address systemic inequalities, and foster highly informed, inclusive decision-making process at all levels. A shared future. By making smarter, advice-based choice today, we can accelerate sustainable economic growth that is thoroughly inclusive and ensure prosperity that leaves absolutely no one behind. Navigating complexity. Decision theory is an invaluable toolkit for navigating economic complexity and uncertainty, enabling the creation of policies and enterprise that genuinely generate decent work for everyone. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention.